Hello and good afternoon, everyone. Adam here at Kinion Classic Cars in Clarence, Iowa. This afternoon, I am super excited to show you a beautiful 66 Pontiac GTO. Now, this car is finished in its original color of Marina Turquoise, has a white parchment interior, and that just sets this car off. This car has had a concourse restoration. It's probably been restored for 10 to 15 years, and it looks like it was restored yesterday. What's up, Isaac? This is Isaac.
Hi.
He's the future owner of Kinion Classics. Right, buddy?
Yeah.
Yep. So he comes in. He worked with us all day yesterday and all day today. He's a good helper, aren't you?
Yeah.
Yep. Numbers matching 389 under the hood. Automatic transmission. 323 rear end gear. Factory power steering, factory power brakes. Beautiful white interior. Seat belts, carpeting, seats, dash pad, door panels, headliner, sail panels, package tray. Everything on this car and the interior is in very, very nice shape. The undercarriage of this car looks like brand new. This is not a cheap car. I'll show you the underneath the car. There you go. I'll probably put it on the hoist next week, take some undercarriage pictures, got some cutouts on it. This car won't be around long. It will not last. I have not priced this car yet, but we will shortly. I'll show you inside the trunk here. Several pretty nice trophies and awards that this car has won. There's a big trophy there. Pontiac Nationals. This is 2014, but Summit Motorsports Park, Norwalk, Ohio. Here's the PHS stocks. Here's photos, a disc and a thumb drive of the restoration, a bunch of Pontiac manuals in there, just a bunch of information, some miscellaneous stuff. There it is right there. GTO, Associated of America, in this year, 2014, has examined the vehicle and determined it meets the judging standards established for earning the Concourse Gold Award. So there you go. I mean, it's the car speaks for itself. There's no need for any more introduction, I guess. Just gorgeous car. The paint, the body, the interior, the undercarriage. I don't think it gets any better. Put them keys in the ignition, buddy.
Okay.
You can start it up here in a minute.
Okay.
Here's the underneath the hood. It does have vintage air conditioning installed, or old car air conditioning, one or the other. Aluminum intake, Edelbrock carburetor. So it's got a couple power adders, newer brake booster, and master cylinder. What a gorgeous car. Fire up, Isaac. Turn the headlights on again, buddy. Yep, okay, turn this, yep. Yep, hit the brakes, Isaac. Okay, turn the headlights on. There you go.
barely see the top of your head. You need to comb your hair. Just kidding. No, I'm just kidding. Hey, you can't see your head. Give me a hard time, bud. Look at all these nice classics out here.
We're got a bunch of cars out today. We doing some.
That one is not for sale.
Which one?
That's brown.
That brown truck?
Yeah, that brown truck.
They're all for sale.
Terry will sell that truck.
They're all for sale, buddy.
He'll sell her. Won't you?
Yep.
Absolutely.
Ain't gonna sell the farm or the wife.
Oh my gosh, Dan, look at
Here we go, Isaac.
those ratchets
Hold on.
are sticking out of there.
Hold on.
There's no disappointments with this car. It runs fantastic, drives fantastic. You can let go of the steering wheel, and this car is right down the road. Just a great car. Got the his and hers shifter in it as well. I'm telling you folks, if you are looking for a 66 GTO, I am going to tell you this is the rarest color. This Marina Turquoise is the rarest color on these on a 66 GTO, and this has to be one of the nicest ones in the world in my opinion. It's a gorgeous car. Inside, outside, under the hood, underneath the car. Just one beautiful automobile. When they say every nut and bolt was replaced, I believe them. It's just that kind of car. Get right up and down the road, 80 mile an hour. Runs great, all the gauges work. Radio works, I don't know how to turn the sound on. What a beautiful ride. Interior is spectacular. This white interior is so gorgeous. Kinion Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa, 563-452-2450. www.kinionauto.com, K-I-N-I-O-N auto.com. We buy, sell, and trade classic cars and muscle cars every day, so give us a call if you want to purchase this beautiful 66 Pontiac GTO. It is a head turner and a show winner, folks. Give us a call. Thanks for watching our videos. Hope you have a great afternoon, and please subscribe to our YouTube channel.